So, Noah built the ark, saved humanity, rode out the storm, came out of the boat like a hero, planted a vineyard, and then got wasted. Yep, that Noah. Genesis 9. Our guy makes it through the biggest judgment event in human history, only to faceplant in his own tent with no clothes and too much wine. Plot twist? The ark didn't drown his problems. It just gave him new soil to plant them in. So there he is, drunk, naked, knocked out cold. And here comes Ham, one of his sons, walking in like, what even is happening in here? But instead of covering his father, Ham runs out and tells his brothers like it's breaking news. No compassion, no privacy, just gossip. Shem and Japheth, they do it right. They walk in backward with a blanket and cover their father. No jokes, no shame, no screenshot for the group chat. Noah wakes up. He finds out what happened. And he doesn't curse Ham. He curses Ham's son, Canaan. Canaan wasn't even in the room, but he ends up carrying the consequences of his dad's dishonor. That's a lot. And before we try to cancel Noah, maybe we should slow down. Because this isn't just an ancient family drama. This is us. We live in a world where people get drunk on power, pride, ego, and comfort. Then pass down the fallout. We joke about people's struggles instead of covering them. We broadcast other people's sins while ignoring our own. We laugh at the chaos instead of asking, how did we get here? Some of us are like Ham, quick to expose. Some of us are like Shem and Japheth, trying to honor even when it's uncomfortable. Some of us are waking up like Noah, facing the damage we didn't mean to cause. And some of us, we're like Canaan, living under the shadow of something that didn't start with us, but still landed on us. The truth is, sin doesn't stay in its lane. It spills from one generation to the next, unless someone breaks the cycle. And that's what makes Jesus so necessary. Because without him, we're just replaying Genesis 9 on loop, covering, cursing, hiding, repeating. But with him, there's redemption, there's restoration, there's a new legacy. So the question isn't just, why did Noah get drunk? It's, what are we doing with the pain we inherit? And the pain we cause? Because the flood may be over, but the test continues.